Have you ever noticed something strange? Sometimes, the version of you inside your head studies for hours. It finishes every chapter, gets amazing grades, stays completely focused, and never checks its phone. But the moment you actually sit down to study, 5 minutes later, you're scrolling, daydreaming, or telling yourself you'll start tomorrow. How can your imaginary self be so disciplined while your real self struggles to read a single page? It's something much deeper. Your brain loves simulations. Long before humans built cities, the brain survived by imagining the future. Today, it still does the same thing. It imagines you getting great grades, making your parents proud, walking across the graduation stage, and finally becoming the person you want to be. The problem is that your brain sometimes rewards the imagination before you've earned the reality. Neuroscience shows that vividly imagining success can activate some of the same reward circuits involved in actually achieving it. Not as strongly, but enough to give you a small feeling of progress. It's like smelling fresh bread. Your body starts preparing to eat before you've even taken the first bite. Your imagination gives your brain the smell of success. Reality asks you to bake the bread. You make the perfect timetable. Buy fresh notebooks. Organize your desk. For a moment, you feel productive, but psychologists call this the planning fallacy. Your brain naturally underestimates how difficult real work will feel. The imagined version contains only the reward. It hates uncertainty, because uncertainty requires energy, and your brain is designed to save energy whenever it can. There's another reason. Inside your imagination, there's no risk. You never fail a practice test. You never forget the answer. You never feel embarrassed. Reality is different. Reality can prove you wrong. If you never truly begin, you never have to face your limits. That's why procrastination is often protection, not laziness. Start smaller than your brain expects. Instead of saying, I'll study for 3 hours, say, I'll study for 5 minutes. A mountain feels impossible. One small step doesn't. Next, stop collecting plans. Start collecting evidence. One solved question. One completed page. One focused study session. Your identity changes through evidence, not imagination. And finally, expect studying to feel uncomfortable. Boredom doesn't mean you're failing. It often means your brain is building new connections, not exciting. Think of your brain like a river. Action is the water. A map can show you where to go, but only the river can carry you there. So, the next time your imaginary self feels smarter than your real self, don't try to become that perfect student overnight, because your future won't be built by the version of you that dreams. It will be built by the version of you that starts.